Hello everyone. Today in Google Classroom we will see how to post the study materials systematically. So for example, I will start with one of my classes 9D, since I am supposed to post some study material over there. So I have selected this class. So when I open it, it is like the stream is being opened. On the left hand side down you can see the stream is opened. Here every material that I post or any announcement that I share over here, it comes in the stream. But when I have to post my material systematically, here I am supposed to go to the classwork and post the study material over there. So I will click upon classwork and I open it. I see already I have posted under the triangles chapter certain subheadings which the students can have easily access to, and also I can also have easy access to all the material that I am posting. So now let us see how to post the material. So once again I will show it to you. This is the stream, and then I come to the classwork, then I go to the plus sign. When I go to the plus sign, there are options available: assignment, question, material, topic and reuse post. So what I do is I create the topic first. For example, I had created in triangles. So I will click upon topic and they are asking me what topic I want. So I will write probability is the topic for me, and I add the topic over there. So my topic is being added. Now to the topic I can add material. So I will again click upon plus, then I will click upon material, and then I am supposed to add certain topics. So I will move upon this pin sign at the top and click the pin sign. It will give me options: attach from drive, from link, from file, take a photo, record video or make a new PDF. So since I have material ready in my file, I will click upon file, and then I have this NCERT exemplar material which is ready for chapter probability. I will select it and it will come upon there. I can again go to the pin sign and I can add NCERT book also. 2-3 work that I can supposedly add over here, I can do that. But since I want under each lesson the headings should be for one attached file, so it is entirely your option whether you want to take 2-3 files attached in one group. For example, you could have taken one title over here and then statistics and probability, and for topic could have been statistics and probability, and you could have taken one title as statistics and posted all the material there, and probability and posted all the material. But now I am taking this as title, which I will write it as NCERT exemplar. That is NCERT exemplar, which is related to probability. So I will write NCERT exemplar probability. Second option is they are saying if you want to give any description, you can give description as required. I don't want to give any description, so I am not writing there. Then topic. So I will click upon topic. No topic will come over here. But now I will pick my topic. My topic is probability and it will be saved under probability. So that means now this will be saved under probability. Now I have to send this material along with this. So on the right hand side at the top you can see a triangle over there. So you will send it by this, and when you just press upon this send, it gives us few options which are available. I have sent it in 9D, but I could have also sent this material in 9C by selecting 9C also. So now suppose I want to add another file. Again I will move upon plus sign, then material, and then I will move upon the pin sign over there, and from the file I can select the next heading that I have for probability, and that is SRC probability. So I will click upon SRC probability and it will get attached. Then I will write its title, that is SRC, then it is probability. So SRC probability, again I will click on no topic, and then options I will move upon probability. I will save, and once I have saved, now in this I will show you how it will go to 9C also. as well as 9D also. I have written, you can see at the top, 9D Maths Miss Taru. D section is selected. On the arrow you will select and you will have post in 9D. I can also select 9C with it. Done. That means it will be posted in both the classes, and all students option I have taken. If I would have liked that it should be with respective few students, then I could have taken it class wise. For example, we have been sharing assignments of remedial classes by selecting the students and then sending. So this is done. It will go to 2 classes. So I will now go upon this the right triangle on the pink bar which I can see, and then I will send it. And when I will send it, you can see that it will take 2-3 seconds to go, and after that it will be there under the heading probability. So you have seen that the probability, now I have 2 headings, materials under it, that is SRC probability and NCERT exemplar probability. Now suppose if I have one document or file which I want to post it here, and not from by selecting by the create section over here, that is by the plus sign. For example, I'll move on to the clear scanner which I have, and there is one SE, that is subject activity probability, and I want to share it on Classroom. Then I will select this activity. Once it is selected, then I'll go to the share option at the bottom. That means if you are taking activity from any scanner or any other documents or downloads, this is how you can send it. Then I will select Classroom. After selecting Classroom, it is asking me 9D. So I will say yes, it is 9D, it's fine. I will move on to create material. I will select create material, and this is like subject enrichment activity. So SE activity of probability. And now I want this also to be placed along with the topic that I have made. So again I will go to no topic, select that, and I will see the topic is there, probability. I will save it so that it goes under that topic. And again if I want to send it to 9D and 9C, again I will select this 9D is done, 9C and done. So I can send it in 2 classes. And now again you will see on the right triangle which is at the top in the pink bar, you will select this and it will go. If suppose you want to have any other attachment, any other file, that is for example here this is subject enrichment activity probability, the sheet of the activity, and I have the solution sheet also with me, and I want to post it in the study material, then I will select the pin mark again, and again I will take it from any of these, the drive, or just giving the link over there, file, take a photo, record video, and I can send. But right now I am just sending this activity, so I will send it, and you will see this activity that I have selected will go under the heading probability. So now I have few topics in the classroom. Let me see. Probability, you will be seeing 3 topics: subject enrichment activity, SRC probability, NCERT exemplar probability. And when I go to stream, I can see that these activities have been shared and the time is mentioned there along with it. But when I move on to classwork, I can systematically see these activities which are posted. It is not only good for teachers to have a systematic arrangement of the material under the proper topic and with proper name over there, but it is also good for students, that is while revising their concepts or while looking for the study material, they can move upon to the topics in the classwork, and then they can just take it from there and they can do their work. So it is good for both teachers and students to keep everything systematic. And one more thing, important thing is, what all study material we keep on posting, it gets collected in our drive also. On the left hand side at the top corner, you can see 3 lines are over there with a red circle. I will click upon that. Then I have these classroom folders written, that is archived classes and classroom folders. I will go on classroom folders, click upon that, open the document. You will see that this is my drive and this is being opened, and the material that I have been posting, it keeps on getting accumulated over here. For example, I had posted these materials and now these are there in the drive. And just now children, for the children I had posted the SRC subject enrichment activity and NCERT exemplar probability. These are automatically going on into my drive, so that whenever I want to share it through link or whenever I want to keep it as record, it is safe in my drive also. So that is a good platform. That is Google Classroom really helps us a lot to post the study material, and everyone can move on their own pace, the teachers as well as the students, and they can always come back to the material that has been posted for reference. Thank you so much.